Hey, Christmas crew! Welcome back to Quiz Universe. Today, we're unwrapping a festive treat. Can you guess the word by Emojis, Christmas edition? Before we dive into the holiday fun, hit that subscribe button for more quizzes, laughs, and Christmas cheer. Let's slay this quiz. First up, let's keep it chill. Who's frosty, round, and loves a carrot nose? Snowman. Perfect start. Snow, much fun already. Time to cozy up. What's the ultimate winter warmer with marshmallows on top? Hot chocolate. Yum! Extra whipped cream, please. Deliver the goods. What festive word matches this? Think holiday letters and cards. Mailbox. Don't forget to check it for Santa's reply. Movie buffs, unite. Which holiday classic is this? A kid, some burglars, and major home defense. Home Alone. Best Christmas movie ever. Fight me. It's getting green in here. This holiday staple smells like pine and lights up the room. Christmas tree. Time to add those ornaments. Spot the odd one out. Something doesn't belong here. Can you figure it out? Amazing! Your attention to detail is on point. Make your wishes known. What do you call the ultimate Christmas dream list? Wish list. Fingers crossed for everything you want. Sweet tooth alert. This creamy dessert is a holiday favorite. Any guesses? Cheesecake. BRB, grabbing a slice. Let it go. Which Disney blockbuster is perfect for a snowy day? Frozen. Do you want to build a snowman? A Christmas karaoke moment. Which holiday hit do these emojis spell out? All I Want for Christmas Is You, Mariah Forever. Here comes the big guy. Who's got a beard, a sleigh, and a belly that shakes like jelly? Santa. Have you ever caught him in action? Tell me in the comments. Emoji Showdown. A versus B? Who's the real deal here? Take your pick. B? Nice one, eagle eyes. It's Rudolph time. Which animal is basically a Christmas mascot? Reindeer. Nose so bright, right? Holiday baking vibes. What's a classic Christmas treat for Santa's snack break? Cookie. Leave out some milk, too. Spicy and sweet. What's the name of this festive biscuit buddy? Gingerbread. Do you bite the head or the legs first? Thanks for playing Holiday Heroes. How'd you do? Share your scores in the comments and let us know your favorite holiday treat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quizzes. Until next time, keep those Christmas vibes merry and bright.